today we are going into another tutorial, and this is a Cubase tutorial. As you can see, I'm using Cubase 13. This tutorial is how you can remove the wave, just like what you saw on the thumbnail of this video. So let's get into it. So you create empty. Yeah, do I want to drag? Like I always like doing, I like to drag, but for the sake of this tutorial, let's just go down to import audio file. So you search where your audio is, and yeah, this is a poem from one of my poem video. I have a YouTube channel where I post my poems and story, so you can feel free to check that. The description will be there. So you see, I'm cutting out this is how most people will go about it. Delete, then you'll now trim, and you will now glue it together to form one. Some people might even go as far as bouncing the track. That one works too, but me, I prefer going this way. Now you double click on that file, then it opens. You see under the add presets, if you look down, you see that there is no delete there, but there's every other thing you can do. Like, let me show you. I want to silence this place. Now you go to silence, it will silence it. That's noise, it will take away the noise. Like, now let me show you from this one. Silent, you silence it. Yeah, so you see, so I just undid it. So now how can we actually delete? Now it's very simple. Just highlight and click delete from your keyboard. Delete, it will delete. Yeah, I see it has deleted. So depending how fast your system could be, it will delete. So this is just it has deleted. So I'll show you another example. Yeah, this is another example. So delete, it has deleted. You see, it has deleted. So that's just how you can delete file. That's just how you can delete file. So like I said, this is a poem, one of my poems. If you go to about my channel, you will see it. You'll see the link to the YouTube channel where it is. I would like you guys to watch and subscribe to my channel, to that channel. I have about 3 YouTube channels I'm running. I'm a film maker. I have a film channel. I have this my tutorial channel and my poem and story channel. So this is Cubase 13. So I'm not saving this. You see, it has gone back to this Cubase 13. Thank you.